Back seat's kind of fun because we got the headrest.
For your safety, just stay seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the log, and be sure to watch your kids. Have a zippity-doo-dah ride.
Bears are getting a thing.
Dentro del banco y cuide a los pequeñitos.
There's the drop. Happy place. Ooh. Tap that screen, friends. It's free. On a mansion. Beautiful day. Here's our first Brer Rabbit's house right here. Bye bye, Brer Rabbit. I hope you find a new home. Brer Fox up there. Hope he finds a new home. See you. Tap the screen, friends. It's free. The last ride. The last. Whoa! Bear, bye bye. That was a good one. That was a good drop right there.
What you doing up there? You're making a fool out of yourself. That's what you're doing. Now get out.
Oh, here's another drop. Man, you can feel that drop in the back. Laughing place. Laughing place, all the mushrooms.
Stay
That's a good splash right there. Oh, wow. It's a lot trippier in the back, dude. Like, cause you blam, you slam, blam, blam.
¿Ojos abiertos? ¡Eso!
Brer Rabbit, don't rest for too long. Alright guys, well, that was Splash Mountain here on the last month of Splash Mountain. May the 4th, that is. I'm over here at Disneyland, California, and May the 4th. Big Star Wars fan. Follow me on TikTok right here. Follow me on YouTube if you're not watching this as a repost on YouTube. Links in the bio. Full vlog will be out tomorrow. Today I'm going to be at God's Day too, so that's on Sunday. Bats Day in the fun part. God's Day, Bats Day, May 7th. Google it, look it up. Alright, so what should we do next? I got some battery charging. I'm going to wrap up the screen grab that I'm doing right now. So, please leave a like, please subscribe, leave a comment. This is from a TikTok live stream. All my links below for all my socials, actually. Do a little boxing, excuse the black eye this weekend.